Alright, what's up guys, this is my bike check. We got these Odyssey griswold grips, Odyssey power bar, and Shadow Vultus bars, 8.5 rise, 28 width, 10 degrees back sweep, 1 degree up sweep. Another Odyssey griswold and same bar end. Eastern choker 2 stem, KINK headset, Odyssey CS2 race forks. It says Odyssey right there. I got the Shadow stun front wheel with the duo stunner tire and a kenda tube. Got the G Sport gland hub guard scavenger sticker. I've got a Shadow little ones peg. I've got a Eastern shovelhead frame 20.5 top tube. I've got a Federal fat seat. It's someone's signature seat, I forget, with the nitrous seat post slammed. I've got Shadow nostra pedals. I got these profile 8-spline cranks, KINK bottom bracket. I've got a Shadow Scream sprocket. I got a KMC drop buster chain, Shadow stun back wheel, stun rim, Raptor hub, Shadow spokes. Same in the front, but it's a front. 17mm axle nuts, duo stunner tire, 1.95, and then it's a 2.20. Another Shadow little ones peg and a what is it? Shadow Raptor. Not yet. Shadow, just hub guard, I guess. It weighs about 24 pounds, I guess, or 23. It's a really nice bike. That's my bike check.